guys, our topic is about linking our Word document to our Excel spreadsheet. So I have two prepared documents: employee performance evaluation and employee performance evaluation in Excel file. So this is our employee list, and this is the result of our performance evaluation. This is the one. So if we will make a report for each employee, so we need to copy and paste here. So it's took time for us. So imagine if you have 100 employees, so it's hard for you to prepare. So now I just want to show you how to link between these two documents, Word document and Excel. Now this is our list, employee list, and the result of our evaluation. So we need to link this one in here, our employee performance evaluation form here. So look, this one, this is our fields. We need to link these fields into the Word document here. So whatever example we select Rinaldo Corvera, so all of his records will shown here, and Juliet also, if we select this name, all of her record also showing here. Okay, let's get started. So since we have already list of this one, so I need to close this one. So this is our main form. First we'll go to here, tab ribbon, then milling tab, select recipients. So just click this one and use an existing list. So we have already list which I show you before are here in this tab. Then this one, employee performance evaluation, AR Excel file. We need to open, then okay. So here, institution, so we need to put our cursor here, then insert merge fields. So here, as what I've shown you before, all of this one, this is our fields which is coming from our list. It's showing here. So since this one is institutional department, so I selected already the cell here, then I put department, and here name also I will choose name. I need to adjust this. And here also, this is classification title. So let's see here, this is classification title, and from we select here from, and to also we need to select to, and the evaluation date also this one, and here quality of work, so you can insert here quality of work. Here also we can insert quantity of work. Here we can also, here is job knowledge, and here also we enter working relationship. Then here supervisory skills here, and this one optional factor. Although we have up to 1 to 10, but I just select these 6 items just to show you how to link our Word document into our Excel worksheet. So now we have already linked our file from Excel file. So we'll see save. As you can see here, there is a preview result. Now we need to select this one or press this one, preview result. This is one. Look, one preview result. Now I have my name. Look, MDH. Then we have our date and evaluation date, so we can also adjust our date here. And also look, outstanding, expectation, this one. If I choose this one, if I navigate next record, look what happened. Now we have the next employee, and here Joey here, and you can also previews. So this is how fast and easy linking our data. So instead of copy and paste, so now what will we do is just only navigate whatever employee. Then after that, example here, another Provera. So if you want to print this one, just Control P. So since I don't have a printer, so I just want to convert it to PDF. Then print. So automatically this one will save to PDF. Here desktop, then I will type my nav. So now our data is converted into PDF. So again, if I navigate this one, the next employee, if I navigate, this is my name, and if I navigate, this is Juliet. So I will press Ctrl P, but since I don't have a printer, so I need to convert it only into PDF. Then this one. So this is Juliet. So no need to copy and paste. By this one, it's a big help for you instead of going there and paste, going there. So now we'll navigate to the next, Jory Provera. So again, I will press Ctrl P, and this one you can choose if you have printer, then automatically your default printer will show you here. So but since I don't have printer, so I will choose this PDF, then print. Automatically this one will convert. So Jory Provera. So the same process, you can print directly. So I will check that 3 converted data just to show you if this one is correct. Here, this is my name, Rinaldo Provera. Look, Juliet Lagrama. Look, Juliet Lagrama, and here Jory Provera. So this is how easy to link our document from our employee list or from our Excel spreadsheet. So by next topic, I will show you how to print directly. We'll put here the button and using some macro. So by this time, we need to end this topic because I just want to show you only how to link our Word document into our Excel data. Again, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless.